Is your new business not making the progress you'd hoped for? Maybe you have some unresolved issue that you're not aware of. If that's the case, this video is for you. Hi, my name's Nicole Thompson. I'm the creator of Positive Perfection Promotions, where I help business owners create a brand image that stands out above the rest. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something that I didn't really connect with in the beginning, but it turns out was really holding me back from being successful. And that's forgiveness. I was holding on to anger and resentment towards a previous employer. Now, this is someone who I considered my mentor, and more importantly, my friend. So it was a really hard slap in the face and a hefty dose of reality the day that she came in and announced she'd sold the company, and I was out of a job in 2 weeks. No warning, just done. Now, did she owe me these things? No, probably not as a boss. But as a friend and a self-proclaimed mentor, I felt the answer to that was yes. So there I was, out of a job, and I had a little bit of an idea of what I wanted to do for a business, but she had said she was going to, kind of guide me in teaching me how to do the business because it was similar to what she had done. So there she was gone. I didn't have her anymore. So I had little to no knowledge, just this idea, and I was literally starting from scratch. So I literally spent the first 2.5 years just with this huge amount of resentment and being spiteful as I was building my business. And the funny thing is who was I being spiteful to? She didn't own the company anymore. I couldn't outdo her website. I couldn't outrank in the search engines for the keywords that she'd ranked so high for all those years. So it was just, I was spinning my wheels. I don't know who I was trying to hurt, but still I had this huge chip on my shoulder. I just didn't realize how much it was hurting my business. So here I am, 2.5 years in, and this one afternoon I happened to be visiting with my son on the phone. And we're talking about, the same thing that every mom talks to their kids about. We're talking about destiny and manifestation and the magnetization of the universe, putting out what you want to get back. And yeah, it's typical, every mom talks to their kid about this stuff, right? Well, we have a weird relationship. But anyway, at some point during this conversation, something clicked. It was like somebody flipped a switch. I realized that I needed to forgive. I needed to just wake up and let it go. I needed to get over it. And I needed to get that huge chip off my shoulder. So that's what I did. And I'll tell you something. That was literally the most liberating experience of my entire life. I felt this huge weight come off me. I felt relief and joy all at the same time. I felt like I could breathe again. And to my surprise, within just a few days, my business started to change. I started to get more traffic to my website. I started to have the phone ring. I started to have orders come in. And most of all, I started to make money, which is why I was in it to begin with. So, you see, it was the forgiveness that I needed. I needed to be able to let go what had happened and let go of that ideal that I'd held her to, that standard, that pedestal that I'd put her on, because she wasn't a part of it anymore. Forgiveness is so much more for the person that's been wronged than it is for the wrongdoer. When you forgive somebody, you free yourself. So just whatever it is, let it go and become unapologetically you. My name's Nicole Thompson. I hope you got some value out of this today, and if it brought you any clarity, I'd love a heart in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.